Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Tech Heaven. I am Hashad, and here we provide practical tips to master technology skills through easy tutorial on software and apps, helping you succeed at work and school.
DriverPack Solution search, DriverPack online, download, open, run, start, OK, turn off, don't interrupt, don't, control, chipset, controller, input, direct, C++, net framework, system library. Net framework, up to date, start, start button, allow, game, weather, R, control, OK, category, hardware, device printer, device manager, all device installed correctly. Close, downloads, open, run, start, no choose something else, video, no sound, USB, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, hard disk, screen, monitor, connection, software trouble, game don't run, computer acting up, games, virus.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, share it to empower your friends in mastering their tech skills. Subscribe for more tutorial, hit the bell icon for updates, and drop down comment with your thoughts. Check out more of our content here and see you in the next one.